Here's an interesting fact. India's first individual medal at the Olympics came in wrestling, with KD Jadhav winning bronze at Helsinki 1952. This time, 7 Indian wrestlers have qualified for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, with 6 grapplers set to make their maiden appearance at the Games. And all of them will compete in the freestyle category. Here's a look at the Indian wrestling contingent for the Tokyo Games that are under the spotlight for Team India. Let's understand how they qualified and the weight categories they will represent. Ravi Kumar Dahiya is a 2-time Asian champion who qualified for the Olympics at the 2019 World Wrestling Championship in Nur Sultan, Kazakhstan. He made the squad for the Worlds after beating favorite Rahul Avare in the trials earlier this year. At the World Meet, Ravi Kumar Dahiya cruised to the quarterfinals where he beat former world champion Yuki Takahashi of Japan 6-1 to seal a quota for Tokyo. Ravi will represent India in the men's 57 kg freestyle category. Bajrang Punia is a man of many firsts. Punia is the first Indian wrestler to be ranked world number 1 in any category, the first Indian to win 2 world championship medals, and the first Indian to play in the renowned German league. Bajrang Punia was also awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, India's highest sporting honor in 2019. Like Ravi Kumar Dahiya, the 27-year-old Punia too booked his place for the Tokyo Olympics at the 2019 World Championships. Regarded as one of the finest wrestlers to emerge from India in recent years, Vinesh Phogat has also a strong wrestling heritage behind her on the mat. After her Olympic debut at Rio 2016 ended in heartbreak, Indian wrestler Vinesh Phogat is strongly heading into Tokyo Olympics 2020. She sealed her place at the Tokyo Games in the 53 category with the bronze medal at the 2019 World Championships. The Olympic year has seen Vinesh win 4 state gold medals at international meets, with the latest coming at the Poland Open Ranking Series event in June. The former world junior champion Deepak Punia too booked his slot for the Tokyo Olympics at the 2019 World Championships in Nur Sultan. He was bestowed with the Junior Freestyler of the Year award by the United World Wrestling Organization in 2019. Punia will compete in the 85 kg freestyle category at the Tokyo Games. Seema Bisla was the 4th Indian woman wrestler, 8th overall, to qualify for the Tokyo Games early this year. After booking a place in the final of the 50 kg World Olympic qualifier in Bulgaria in May. One of the most experienced campaigners, Seema is a bronze medalist at the Asian Wrestling Championships, will be setting ultimate glory at the Tokyo Games. Anshu Malik made her senior debut at the Matteo Pellicone Ranking Series in Rome last year and won a silver medal. She then won a bronze at the Asian Championship in New Delhi and a silver at the Individual World Cup in Belgrade. And thus in April 2021, she became the 5th Indian wrestler and 2nd woman to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics following her qualification for the finale of Asian Wrestling qualifiers. She will be seen competing in the 57 kg weight division. Another 19-year-old sensation, Sonam, will have nothing to lose and everything to gain as one of the medal prospects for Team India in wrestling. Coming from a small village Medina, Sonam will compete in the 62 kg category. Sonam booked a spot in Tokyo 2020 after replacing the Rio Olympic bronze medalist Sakshi Malik with a silver medal at the Asian Olympic qualifiers in Almaty in April. A sporting discipline that's always delivered for India in recent history, wrestling has always been a highly anticipated event at the Olympic Games. All eyes will be trained on India's wrestling contingent with hopes of excellent performances. Cheer for India. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on Tokyo 2020.